How to change your last name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your last name on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here and then go down until you find settings and privacy and click on it and then click settings and then click personal and account information and click name, and here you can change your last name on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.